Welcome back programmers. In the today's section we are going to talk about how to draw shapes and text in our images and how to resize and crop images. So let's begin. Let's see first how to create our own image using OpenCV. Now first thing you want to remember is 0 equal to black and 1 equal to white. I am not racist. This is just OpenCV concept. If you want to create the black image, just use 0, and if you want to create the white image, just use 1. So now how we are gonna create the image? So simply just create the array of numpy, because image is nothing but the array. So let's create img equal to np dot. Let's create the white image. So np dot we are gonna use once. And then simply just pass the width and height. Let's pass 500 into 512 into 512, and because I want the color image, so then I'm gonna pass the channel equal to 3. If we didn't pass the 3, so it is gonna be black and white image, but if I want the color image, so I'm gonna pass the 3 in here, BGR, blue, green and red, and then simply I'm gonna pass the np.uint data type. So now why np.uint8? Because the maximum of value of uint8 is 255 and the maximum color value is 255. Now let's see our image. So this is our image. Now if you are thinking why this is black, again I'm not racist, because this image is empty. There is nothing in this image. So now let's draw some shit in this image. But let's first change the color of this image. Let's say I want to change the color of this image into green. So just use full image 0, 255 and 0. Now if you're thinking what is this value, 0 means B means blue, 255 means green. I want only green value, so I just pass the 255, and R means red. If I want to change the red color, so just pass the 255 in the red area. You can see BGR, 255 is R. And if you want the different color, so pass different value in the different section. You can see I just passed blue 100, green 240 and red 70. So you can see I got this kind of color. Now if you wanna know how we can find the color code, so just Google it. You can see in this website I got the all of the color I want and all of the value. You can see RGB, but in OpenCV you have to add BGR, so just add BGR, not RGB. That site link is in the description. I just use the white color because I want to draw some shit in my image. Let's use. Now again, if you don't want this color in your full image, you can pass the width in here and height in here. You can see I just create this square using the 0 to 200 and 200 to 500 value. So only white color is in this area. So this is my width and this is my height. Now in here you can see, in here the lowest value is gonna store. It means in here the value is 0 and 0, and then in here the highest value, the maximum value of image is gonna store in here. So the highest value is 512 and 512. So you can assume the width and height using this number. So the lowest is in here and the highest is in here. So if you want to create the square like this, you can see the 0 means this 0 means it start from here, and this 200 means it create the margin of in here, and this 200 and 500 means this create the margin in here and in here. If we change this value, you are gonna get the different output. You can see I changed the value and I got different output, but we want the white color in our full image. So let's just pass only colon in here. So we got full image is white in here. Now let's create the line, and for that we are gonna use cv2.line function. So the first parameter is image, the second one is point 1, the third one is point 2, and the fourth one is color. So let's pass the img. And let's say I want to create the point 1 is 0 and 0. You know, I told you what is 0 and 0 and what is minimum and maximum point. So this is my minimum point 0 and 0, and the maximum point, which is point 2, is 512 and 512, because my image width and height is 512 and 512. And then I'm gonna simply pass the color. Now color is same in this here. I'm gonna use the black color. For black color, BGR is 0, 0, 0. So I'm gonna create the tuple and pass the 0, 0 and 0. And the last parameter is thickness. Let's say I want to thickness 3. You can see it just created the line. The starting point is 0 0 and the ending point is 512 512. Okay, you can see I just created the second line with the same method in here. Now let's draw a rectangle. So use cv2.rectangle. The first one is image, the second one is 0.1, the third one is 0.2, and the fourth one is color, and the fifth one is thickness. You can see I just created the rectangle, and you can change the thickness using these three. But what if you want to fill this rectangle? So just pass the cv2.fill. Field is capital. You can see now this color is filled with blue color in this rectangle, and so on. So you can draw a circle. Just use cv2.circle. The first one is img, the second one is center, and the third one is radius of circle, and the fourth one is color and thickness. So we have to add the center point of our image in here where you want to draw a circle, and then the radius of circle means how big you want your circle. Let's pass 30, and then color and thickness. I'm not gonna pass the thickness, I'm gonna pass the cv2.field because I want my circle with filled with color. You can see I just created the green circle because I passed the 0, 255 and 0, and I create the radius equal to 90. That's how you can create the circle using OpenCV in your own image. Now the last function is put text. So the first argument is img, the second one is text, the third one is org, and the fourth one is font face, and then font scale and color and thickness. Now let's use put text function to put text in your image. Obviously the first one is img, the second one is text. So I just pass the all-in-one code because I want to print all-in-one code text in my image. And the third one is origin, where you want to start your text. And the fourth one is font. Now cv2 available lots of fonts, so just use cv2.font. You can see lots of fonts available in this cv2, but I'm gonna use complex duplex, Hurley's duplex. And then the fifth one is scale, how big your text you want. Let's add 50 and then pass the color. Obviously I'm gonna use the plain text, and I'm gonna put the scale is 2 because 2 is too much big. You can see we got all-in-one code, but it's out of our image. Now that's good. You can see I got all-in-one code with red color because I passed 0, 0 and 255. So that's how you can create the line, square, circle and text in our image, and that's how you can create our own image. So if you like this video, just like this video, share this video to other programmer, comment me for the next video, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my latest video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.